If Chrome keeps showing download interrupted, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes that can get your downloads working again. This is one of the most frustrating Chrome errors, especially when the file is almost finished and then suddenly stops. The good news is that in many cases you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Chrome downloads fail. Open a few websites and make sure they load properly. If pages are slow or not loading at all, reconnect to your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router, or restart the router if needed. A stable connection can make all the difference, especially for larger downloads. Next, try retrying the download. In Chrome, press Ctrl and J on Windows, or Command and J on Mac to open your downloads page. Find the file that failed, and look for a resume button or an option to restart it. Sometimes the interruption is temporary, and simply trying again is enough to complete the download successfully. If that does not work, the next step is to disable conflicting extensions. Some third-party extensions, especially ad blockers or download managers, can interfere with Chrome's ability to save files correctly. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, disable all extensions temporarily. After that, try the download again. If it works, you can re-enable each extension one at a time until you find the one causing the problem. This is a very useful way to isolate the issue. Now let's clear the browser cache and data. Corrupted cookies or cached files can sometimes break Chrome's download process. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the Clear Browsing Data window, choose a time range like All Time. Then check cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Click Delete Data, then try the download again. This often resolves strange browser issues that seem random but are actually caused by damaged stored files. Another helpful step is temporarily disabling your antivirus. In some cases, security software can mistakenly block a safe download or interrupt the file from finishing. If you trust the file and the website, pause your antivirus briefly and test the download again. Just remember to turn your protection back on as soon as you're done. Security should always come first, so only do this if you are confident the file is safe. You should also check your disk space. If your hard drive is nearly full, Chrome may stop the download right before it finishes. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and check how much free space is available on your main drive. If storage is low, delete old files, empty the recycle bin or trash, or move large files to another drive or cloud storage. Freeing up space can immediately solve the problem. If none of those fixes work, reset Chrome settings. Click the three dots again, go to Settings, and then scroll down to Reset Settings. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm the reset. This will turn off custom settings that may be causing the issue while keeping your bookmarks and saved passwords in most cases. After the reset, test the download one more time. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Chrome download interrupted error and get your files downloading normally again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.